Hey guys, JV here, excited for another video. I am so glad you're with us. This is a community, not a channel. It's about technology, it's about energy, it's about having fun. And today I got a use case, okay? Because I have all these devices here today. I have the Papyr out, I have the Quaderno out, I have the Mobiscribe, which we're gonna give away. I have the Remarkable here, and my Remarkable 2 will be here probably next week. I got the Rocketbook and the Supernote A6X. One of these devices is not like the others. Well, kind of two are similar for what we're trying to do. And what is our use case today? Well, as you know, in my other job, quote unquote, is I'm a coach. I help a lot of people. I've helped thousands of people. If you watched the podcast episode, we've literally had 42 million downloads, help people all over the world. And one of the things I teach is really, to be able to be more productive, you have to sleep better. And one of the number one reasons we don't sleep better is because we have a lot of things in our mind. And that's where these devices like the Remarkable or the A6X or the Rocketbook or the Papyr can help so much, is to get stuff out of our mind. So the real use case comes today is to discuss speed. Why do we need speed? Because what I'm going to have you do is when you go to bed at night is to put one of these devices next to your bed. So when you get that thing like I got to pick up milk in the morning, or I got to do this work activity, or I got to remember to write this page, or I got to buy that video lens, that you take action and you write down in your device those thoughts. Because what happens is now we can let those thoughts go, okay? And guess what? You can sleep better. And why is because your mind isn't holding on to that noise. So if you're somebody that's always thinking, right? And I have this issue, right? You're always thinking about, I got to do this, I got to do that. Then having one of these devices to be able to just write down something and let it go is key. Now, here's the secret to this. You have to be able to trust it. Because if it's a piece of paper, you just write it on a sticky note, and you don't trust that you're going to remember, then the mind is just going to keep working and working and working until you, and you're not going to be able to sleep, right? So the concept or the video today is we want to basically use a device to be able to sleep better. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to put it by our bed, and whenever we have a thought and it's bothering us, we're going to write it down. So what is the fastest device? Meaning you're half asleep and you're getting ready to write, you got this idea. I got to pick up milk in the morning. I got to get milk. It's the end of the world, right? I got to get milk. And you're thinking about it and thinking about it, thinking about it. Well, what device is the fastest? Well, the Rocketbook, right? Or a notebook. It's very simple. You open it up and you write down, I gotta get milk, right? Very simple. I mean, that's the easiest one and the fastest one to use. I have to get milk, okay? And you close the book and you go back to sleep. So I'm gonna give the Rocketbook as the ease of use. The bigger device is the Remarkable. I don't have the Remarkable 2. One of the issues with the Remarkable is, if it's sleeping, you press the button, but it comes up pretty quick if you have your note ready to go. Pretty instant. Gotta press the button, okay? So that's pretty quick. I'm sure the Remarkable 2 is gonna work similar. You write your note down. Now you've got it to the morning, you shut the notebook, you're ready to go. So Remarkable works pretty quick. We're gonna put it in the quick file, right? The Papyr's sitting here, you're ready to go, you got it next to the bed, you press the button, you grab the stylus, opens up pretty quick. There it is. You write your note, you're good to go. I'm not going to do the Quaderno because it's the same as the Papyr, pretty much similar, okay? The Mobiscribe, you got a note, you write it up, you got to click a button somewhere on the top. This one's a little more challenging. You click the button, it opens up, you're ready to write the note. So they're all pretty quick, but there's one that has the advantage, okay? And that's the Supernote A6X. And the reason is you open it up, boom, it's there. So that one, you don't have any buttons to press or anything. And the more that I'm using this device for this type of activity, the more that I'm starting to really like it. Again, you close it, in the middle of the night, you have an idea. Okay, again, a notepad can work for this, but if we got these devices, why not, right? Why not use them? You flip it open, boom, there it is. You write it down. And that's where this device has really shocked me compared to the Remarkable and some of the other devices, is in the speed of getting to the note. So again, each of these devices has different use cases, and we're going to go through a lot of different ones. So it doesn't mean you got to go run out and buy one of these. I'm showing you, the Remarkable can work too. You just got to press the button at the top, right? Write your notes, shut it, and you're good to go. The Papyr, same thing. You know, I'm using the Papyr for a lot of things. You just got to press it, and you got to do it. But I'm really, since I have all these devices, been using this more and more for really rapid, quick notes. And that's what this kind of lesson is, or video is about today, is using technology to help you sleep better. And again, if you got a Rocketbook, it's great. This just works, and it's going to help you get things out of your mind. And that's what I want to help you do in today's video, is to help you sleep better using this technology, and then utilizing it in a way that you get it out on the device or on your Rocketbook or on a piece of paper, and you know that, hey, I'm going to look at that in the morning. So again, the process real quick is to pick what you're going to use. Right now I'm using the Supernote A6. Basically, you're going to put one of these things by your bed tonight, whether it's Remarkable, Papyr, whatever you have. And you're going to create a note before you go to bed, and this is where you have your brainstorming ideas. And as you go to sleep and as you lay down and you're starting to fall asleep, I got more tips for this coming too later with technology that can help you sleep. But as you start to fall asleep, if something comes into your mind, you're not going to try to remember. You're not going to say, I'm going to remind myself. No, you're going to reach over, grab your Rocketbook, grab your A6X, grab your Remarkable. You're going to make the note, shut it, and say it's gone. And you're going to go to bed, and you're going to start sleeping better, which is going to increase your productivity. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching another video. Hey, any questions or comments, leave them below. This is a community, not a channel. I would love to hear from you. And as always, a subscribe's great. We're getting there. We're almost to 9,000 subscribers, so I appreciate your help and us getting that, getting the word out and helping you with some of these devices. But a little use tip today. All right? Until tomorrow, go have a fantastic day, and thanks as always for watching.